Hi there, students. Precarious, an adjective. Precariously, an adverb. And precariousness, the noun. Okay, precarious means something that is in danger and lacks security, safety, or stability. So I felt in a very precarious position on top of this very tall ladder. Okay, so something that's precarious is in a dangerous state because it's not safe or it's not firmly held in place. I had a precarious hold to the side of the mountain and I was worried I was going to fall. Yeah? That vase is in a very precarious position and it could easily fall off the table if there was a gust of wind. A situation that's precarious is a situation that's likely to get worse. So if you borrow too much money, you will find yourself in a precarious financial position. So something that's precarious is dangerous or in danger because it's likely to fall down or it's likely to suffer harm. So I climbed onto a precarious branch of the tree. Yeah? Precariously, the adjective. The climber was precariously perched on the edge of the cliff. Okay, so precarious, characterized by a lack of security or stability and threatened with danger. Yeah? He was in a very precarious emotional state and got upset very easily. COVID can seriously affect people with precarious health. Yeah, it's not very solid. It's not very well established. It's easy to fall down. Okay, so precarious. You can also use precarious to mean based on insufficient evidence. So the assumption he made is very precarious. Yeah, it's not based on stable evidence. Yeah, it's not based on something concrete. Yeah, this is a precarious solution to a difficult problem. Maybe it's unwanted. Yeah, he climbed up a precarious rope ladder. The negotiations were at a very precarious stage, and it would be easy for them to stop. The precariousness of the situation worried me severely. So the dangerousness of it, the insecurity. So precarious, unsteady, shaky, unstable, unsafe, wobbly, tottering, rickety. Okay, so precarious, dangerously insecure or unstable. Yeah. So to be in a precarious position. In legal terms, the word precarious means depending on the intentions of somebody else. So his job contract is precarious. It's only the goodwill of his employer that keeps him on. Yeah, many families live in a precarious situation, and if they can't find work, then they're going to have real difficulties. The car was balanced precariously on the edge of the cliff, so threatened with danger. A downturn in food supply could tip the precarious balance within the country. I think our environment is starting to get to a precarious position. We need to do something. Okay, so precarious, not safe. Notice, precarious, depending on chance or circumstances, unknown circumstances. So he earned a precarious living, finding work wherever he could. His ownership of this building is precarious because it's likely to be seized by the government at any moment. So, precarious, how formal. I think I'm probably going to give it a 6 in formality. I think informally I might say in danger, in a dangerous position. But use it formally, semi-formal writing, and formally very happily. And then the origin, again from Latin, precarious, precarious, meaning something that you've begged for, something that you can get by begging somebody to do it. Yeah? You've even got a Spanish word, precario, meaning, precarious, in danger, not safe. So there you go, precarious. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Precarious, precariously, precariousness.